Pressure regulator series REG, general purpose air regulator, 0.5 to 8 bar pressure range. Come complete in the box with a gauge. There's on the base an arrow showing direction of flow, inlet port, outlet port. We have two gauge ports, one is plugged, the other one is open. Depending on which way you mount it in the line, you can swap those little plug around. And the gauge itself, screw into there. Gauge is dual scale, bar and PSI. And using some thread tape, sealant, you would then screw that into the gauge port. If you require to adjust it, it pulls up, clicks open to that red little mark shown, turned around to the pressure is correct, and push it down, that locks into place so it won't vibrate loose. Also has a threaded connection up to 1 inch, this section, and the bigger ones don't have the panel mounting, but you can panel mount this unit so it sits out through the front of a panel, lock that nut off, or maybe mount it in some bracket. If you require to maintain this unit, there's a set of spares that come that you can purchase. Undo those 4 screws, the head comes off, there's the diaphragm inside there, diaphragm assembly gets replaced, head goes back in, screws in. It's very simple to maintain. This regulator is also a relieving regulator, so that if the downstream pressure gets higher than the upstream pressure, it'll exhaust back out through the head of the regulator, up inside here, and comes out through these little holes, exhausts inside underneath this cap.